In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge so your favorite websites are always one click away. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once it loads, go to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Edge's customization options. On the left side, click Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks, including toolbars and buttons. Scroll down until you find Customize Toolbar. Here, you'll see the setting called Show Favorites bar with a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down and choose the option that fits your preference. If you select Always, the Favorites bar will stay visible on every page. If you choose Never, it will stay hidden for a cleaner look. If you pick only on New tabs, the bar will appear when you open a new tab but disappear when you visit a website. The change happens immediately, so there's no need to restart your browser. That's it. Open Settings, go to Appearance, find Show Favorites bar and select Always, Never or Only on New tabs based on how you like to browse.